Scotland. Welcome to my dad. It's my dad!
Here we are.
Here we are.
Once again.
First time in 5 years. Or 4.5 to be more accurate. Our carriage to Wemyss Bay awaits. Wemyss spelt W-E-M-Y-S-S. Yes, they do spell it a bit weird around here, but hey, love Scotland. Oh, we're off.
Steam engine that used to come in here, that must have been absolutely black at one time.
Yeah, I'm sure.
This train.
Seagulls in the background, bright sunshine. And welcome to Wemyss Bay, which is on more than one occasion, and I believe most recently won the award for Britain's nicest station. I don't know if it was exactly the wording on that, but I know why. This place is absolutely stunning. And typically with 2 trains per hour going into Glasgow, you've got more than enough options to get to or from the Big Smoke. This place is incredibly well looked after, and it's the, oh hang on a minute, here we are. This is exactly what I was on about. National Rail's World Cup of Stations winner last year in 2023, and it's easy to see why. Oh look, my dad. Now while my dad's and gentleman's over there, you'll see we have a signage for ferry boarding down here. And we're off to Rothesay just for a little trip. Nothing to see a great deal of there. This is trains after all, but because we are boarding a ferry, I think for the first time we're going to have a completely new title screen. So, I know this is mid-video, but roll credits. Return trip to Rothesay. Up we go. That dog in front of us is called Buddy. He's adorable. Buddy. And we're off. Ahead of us, the Isle of Bute and the town of Rothesay. This ain't a train. Sorry. If you're expecting a train, I apologise for the advertised change to the schedule. But it's a one-off. Can't knock this. And it's my dad. Yay. Oh, hello, whoever that is. Yeah. Oh dear.
Just the same on the Isle of Wight.
Oh, wonderful.
Fast gun walk.
You don't get this on the commuter rail, do you? Well on the move now, and Wemyss Bay just a blur in the distance. Very refreshing being out on a ferry. I've yet to actually be on a boat in the United States except once, when my wife and I went on a whale watch. It's a little bit different to this because this is just functional, and that was to look at whales, and it was a good trip, I'll say that. But there's something special about the Scottish air, Scotland in general, just being away from the world, being away from the hubbub. Love it. I love the hustle and bustle. I love what the commuter rail is. I love what any train network is, whatever side of the pond I am. But this is beautiful, isn't it? Soak it in. What's better than one train? Two. And what's better than one ship? Two. I have no idea about ships.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall shortly be arriving at our destination. Would all vehicle drivers and their passengers please return to their vehicles? Thank you for travelling with Caledonia McRae. We hope you had a pleasant journey.
Ice cream, anyone? I reckon so. Welcome to Rothesay. Yes. Yeah, my dad said it. This is a medium ice cream. 1 scoop of strawberry, and true to form in Scotland, the bottom scoop is Irn-Bru. I'll report back. Wow. Wow. Small as this place is, it has its own official city sightseeing brand bus that takes you across the Isle of Bute. Signage over the road, a little too far away to see it. Next sailing 12:15 to Wemyss Bay, currently 12:03. And may I report back once again on this ice cream being absolutely delicious. It's dripping a little bit, pardon me. Sorry, that was important business. This place is just gorgeous. Population only of about 4,000 or just over, but it is a bustling little place, not just for holidays and such. It's just pretty, it's just beautiful, and this is just the start of the town centre. Love you, Scotland. Brick paved streets, Bute Tools and General Store, and just to make you feel right at home in Britain, a Bookies. I've avoided a fair bit, but can't see many brands over here whatsoever. No big brands, no big names. All a lot of independent places. And then Ladbrokes. I tried. Perks of the town. Can't avoid seagulls. No swimming or paddling, by the way. And along with the wonderful scenic views and the choice ice cream that I'm just enjoying beyond words, a putting green. How quaint. It's a shame that somewhere like this is understandably far away from where I have lived for the last 4 or so years, and as far away from where I grew up even. But it makes it all the more special when I do get here at last. 34 long years it's taken, but hey, I made it. You know what's even better than this ice cream? Cammy.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
I've just told these lads about the channel. I'm not doing anything about trains right now because there's no trains here, but you know, not a local, so I'm enjoying yourselves. Thanks for the spot, guys.
No bother, see you later.
Take care. Oh, let me find it for you. Let me help them out. Back at the harbour now. Thank you for the time, Rothesay. Time to go back to Wemyss Bay.